we're making a video. And we're going to be walking around nature. See? That's going to be the nature we're going to be walking around. And there's going to be a park down that way. It's going to be faux, flipping nice. And here he is. He's going to be doing crazy things. Go do crazy things. No. For the video. Okay, that's enough. They're like, that's enough. And here she comes. Here's the camera girl.
I'm not vlogging.
Shh, don't matter. You don't want to be in the video?
I do.
Okay. Alright, so here we go too. We're just going, we're actually not going that far. Here's the apartments. And we're going to be walking this way. And then we're going to be turning. There's a way we can turn. We're going to be going straight that way. And then we're going to be turning that way. You see. Alright, you see.
You don't need to turn the camera.
There's Gabby. Say hello, followers.
Hi, followers. Hi, followers.
Well, technically we only one following us, but still, whoever's following us, good. Thank you. You're the first follower. There's the benches.
And
That's the park. It's a little park. I'm sorry. Oh, and there's gonna be a lake. Watch.
Yes.
Like a big crocodiles.
Christian, there's no crocodiles in Georgia. This guy, he thinks there's crocodiles in Georgia. But there are snakes in Georgia. And deers. They're so cute. Like dogs, cats, snakes, and all animals.
Well, snakes are not basically that cute.
Snakes are cute.
But they're not that.
Alright, here we come. Oh, look, here's a dog.
Oh, so cute.
Aww. Okay. There's doggies. Here's some bikers. Alright, here we go. We're going towards the lake.
That's where we turn? No. You go here?
No. We're just showing them the lake.
Oh, can you swim there?
No, don't swim in it. There's snakes in here, probably. Alright.
Deep?
No. Here's the lake.
Were there snakes?
It goes all the way straight down there. And
all the way
stay down that way too. Oh, look at that. See that little stick right there? It looks like a snake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I bet. Alright, let's go back. Okay. We're gonna go this way. We're not going.
You farted!
No, I didn't. We're not going that far. Alright.
Grandma's gonna get us in trouble.
No, we're not. We're just right here. And there's the
benches.
I was about to say that. Benches. Arrows.
Who's that white?
That's the sewer, Christian.
That big?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
sewer.
to keep the water from rising. There's, look at the small, Christian, put that stick down. You know that stick, Ben? Dog's probably pissed on it. Sorry for my language. Alright.
Got to go to the base of the way.
Christian, where are you going? Christian, no, this way. Whoa!
What are we doing?
This used to be a playground right here. There used to be a big swing, whatever. I don't know what used to be here, but it was probably fun, I bet.
Oh, wait, what's this thing?
Oh, and there's a pool down that way.
Where's the pool?
Down that way. I just said that. No. Because it's on the other side. Here's used to be a tennis. I mean, not tennis. Volleyball. A little one though. And Chris is walking into it. Here's the little cafeteria. Have you ever been here? If you have, leave a like and subscribe to the and type the words. And yeah, we finish it up.
Down below. And subscribe.
And like the video. Bye.
And subscribe to our